Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its 4-bed and compact innovation meets comfort design concept, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus is a clever combination of Toyota's well-known dependability and engineering skill with the rising need for adaptable, room-efficient, yet opulent recreational vehicles. This concept motorhome is a great option for smaller families, couples, or singles looking for adventure without the hassle of a huge vehicle, since it tries to demonstrate that a smaller footprint doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or necessary amenities. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus's exterior would probably showcase Toyota's contemporary design ethos, which consists of simple lines, practical aerodynamics, and an approachable, welcoming look. The appearance would put functionality first, based on a sturdy Toyota chassis that may have been taken from their light-duty vehicle or commercial van platforms. Imagine a body that is well integrated, maximizing interior volume without being cumbersome. It would include wide, well-sealed windows for vistas and natural light, an aerodynamic design to improve fuel efficiency, and conveniently accessible integrated storage compartments. Its self-sufficiency and outdoor living convenience would be further increased with the addition of a power awning and possible solar panel integration. Reliability and deliberate utility would be communicated via the entire design. This motorhome's main innovation is its unexpectedly modest size, which solves a major problem with smaller RVs by accommodating 4 sleeping positions. This 4-bed arrangement could be accomplished in a number of creative ways. Convertible sofa/dinette. The sofa or dinette in the main living area may probably be made into a double bed to accommodate 2 people. Overhead bunk, often found in small RVs, an overhead bunk, which may have an electric or manual lift system, would provide a separate sleeping room for 1 or 2 people over the living area or driving cabin. Innovative sleeping options. Tiffin may look into really creative options like wall-mounted fold-down mattresses, a rear garage that doubles as a sleeping room, or even a beautifully constructed convertible wardrobe that opens to reveal a little sleeping berth. The interior design would maximize usable living space despite the several sleeping rooms. The small space would seem airy and welcoming with multipurpose smart furniture, effective storage options, and well-considered lighting. Comfort and facilities. Innovation and livability come together. The compact innovation meets comfort pledge ensures that the basic home comforts won't be compromised while the size is controlled. With a 2-burner range, a convection microwave, a small refrigerator, and plenty of counter space for meal preparation, the galley kitchen would be well-designed and functional. Essential sanitary amenities would be provided by a tiny dry bath or a well-appointed wet bath, which combines a shower and toilet. The term smart might also refer to integrated technology, such as an easy-to-use control panel for temperature control, heating and cooling, lighting, and possibly an entertainment system. Wi-Fi boosters and other connectivity options would keep residents connected while they're on the go. The car's essential systems, including the engine, generator, and appliances, would all operate dependably thanks to Toyota's stellar reputation for dependability. With its emphasis on fitting 4 people in a small, creative, and cozy package, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus would be a wise option for travelers looking for adaptability and simplicity of ownership without sacrificing the key components of a fantastic RV experience. It demonstrates that comfort and adventure can coexist in thoughtfully planned, doable packages.